Hello everyone, I'm Anna. Today I'm going to introduce you our new NIFE210 series industrial field bus embedded system. NIFE series combines all you need features for industrial automation and machine builder communication. It has enough computing power to process data locally on devices near the source. It has control features to control and monitor industrial equipment, and communication capabilities to exchange data between various components. NIFE210 is designed for machine automation, edge computing, gateway, CNC automation, and control cabinets. It combines industrial design, flexible upgrades with field bus connectivity and PCIe expansion options, easy maintenance, including book size and front access to all input and output connectors, Fanless thermal solution, DIN rail mounting, and intelligent software, IoT Studio and Hilscher. NIFE series ensures stable supply and product availability for up to 15 years. On this slide, you can see all the key features of NIFE210 system. A part featuring the latest Intel Celeron Elkhart Lake series processor, it has one DDR4 memory slot that supports up to 32 gigabits of memory. Storage options are available as mSATA or 2.5-inch SSD that supports our newly developed Duo SSD, combo storage module. Expansions available as two mini PCIe slots, one of each can be used to install field bus master card, while another one for extra storage or wireless card. One M.2B key, manually used for 5G network connectivity, and PCIe by 4 for expansions. This system has 3 LAN ports, 6 USB ports, 2 COM ports with isolation, HDMI and DP for display output. It features built-in TPM 2.0 hardware-based security, supports optional power backup module, and DC power input of 24 volts. NIFE210 offers easy maintenance with front access to all input and output connectors, including 2.5-inch SSD or HDD storage. On the top side, there is one remote switch for remote control and 6 antenna holes. On the front side, there are 12 LED status indicators for power, SSD, internal battery, COM ports, and programmable indicators. DisplayPort and HDMI port for video output, 3 LAN ports and 6 USB ports, 2 COM ports with isolation, power input terminal block and power button. Also, field bus expansion slot and 2.5-inch SSD are located on the front. Speaking of the value-added features, NIFE210 has 3 LAN ports that can be used for teaming to improve performance and redundancy. At the moment, we are developing power backup module to provide uninterruptible power supply of CPU and any connected components, with backup time up to 30 seconds. To increase the storage flexibility, NexAIoT, together with Silicon Power, developed Duo SSD, combo storage module that combines 2.5 inches SSD and micro SD card in one module to bring versatility to industrial storage solution. And we support 5G connectivity for lower latency, higher capacity, and increased bandwidths compared to 4G. In terms of computing capabilities, here is where efficiency meets performance. Elkhart Lake Celeron CPU offers low power consumption, yet high output. It gives 2.3 times more CPU performance on single thread compared to our previous generation NIFE200 series, and 3.7 times higher on the overall CPU mark rating. The new design with triple Ethernet ports allows to connect to internet, intranet, and function LAN at the same time. This brings redundancy and increased security and efficiency in automation applications. NIFE210 has field bus connectivity options that support standard industrial protocols ranging from CAN-open, DeviceNet, Profibus, Profinet, EtherCAT, or Ethernet. Industrial environment often has unstable power supply. To protect your system against power outages, we designed a universal emergency power module, Spec, for an uninterruptible power supply with backup time for up to 30 seconds. Another value-added feature is the support of Duo SSD, a combo storage solution that combines 2.5 inches SSD and a legacy micro SD card in one module. This feature can be handy when there is a need for data redundancy or you need to upload application in the micro SD card and keep OS in the hard drive. NIFE210 can be mounted in 3 different ways. In this generation, we improved the design of DIN rail bracket, and now both models support vibration resistance up to 2G. It can also be mounted on the wall or placed on the desk. NexAIoT offers a wide range of peripherals for NIFE Series applications, including industrial network protocols, so-called FBI module cards, I/O expansions, wireless modules, storage solutions, and power backup solution. Now, let's move on to the user scenario. One example of NIFE210 application is food machine automation solution, with the ultimate goal of improving predictive maintenance and client production yields. In this solution, NIFE210 with NexAIoT built-in software called HiveX IoT Studio has been used as an IoT gateway. One of the HiveX functions is to enable I/O modules to collect accelerometers, vibration amplitudes, so that users can find damaged parts. HiveX can also act as a server to store data regarding operations, abnormalities, and maintenance. With one click, it can easily complete 3 actions: data transfer, storage, and analysis. Why NIFE210? It is a fanless system with COM port isolation and field bus expansion that allows connecting to Modbus RTU using Modbus protocol. Since installing NIFE210, our client has been able to better understand customers' wear and tear conditions, reduce the number of repair visits, establish maintenance records, service overseas customers no matter what time zone they are in, increase customer trust, and save maintenance cost, all while attaining the goal of complete conversion to smart machinery. As mentioned in the user scenario, IoT Studio software was installed on NIFE Series Field Bus Gateway to build a ready-to-use IoT gateway solution. This industrial software helps to accelerate IoT project development. It has open architecture support for both Windows and Yocto operating systems. One-click deployment from the gateway to the cloud SCADA presentation, real-time information response, support Modbus RTC and Modbus TCP master, OPC UI UA client for field devices controller, data concentration. You can connect securely to the cloud with verified MQTT and AMQP nodes. NIFE210 is available in 2 variations, with or without PCIe by 4 expansions, and both are available for ordering now. The part numbers of distinctive accessories, combo storage, Duo SSD, and power backup module, Spec, are coming soon. Feel free to contact our sales for more product details. Thank you for your attention in this presentation. If you have further information or inquiries, please contact us via email shown. Thank you very much.